It is Thursday of the last Thursday of August, and my boyfriend and I decided that we're gonna go on a hike to Garibaldi Lake. I have never hiked this long before. The whole hike is going to be around 18 kilometers. I wanted to challenge myself a little bit more this year and just appreciate the nature of BC a little bit more. It's currently 8 a.m. I need to leave the house in like probably half an hour. So yeah, I'm just excited for this. We were planning to do Paramount Ridge. To be honest, I don't think my body is ready for that yet. He said overall the hike is going to be 6 hours, and for me, who doesn't hike, I wouldn't say I'm a great hiker. I'm not fast. I'm pretty slow in terms of pace, which is, I think it's good. Because of that, I think it will take a little bit longer than that, so we'll see. The main thing for me is taking photos for my parents, because I know that they will never be able to like hike or do these kind of more intense kind of hikes ever again due to their health. And I just want to share those like really pretty views to them. I guess now that like I'm here, I can do a little update about how my August has been. To be honest, my August has been pretty, it's like stressful / depressing / lonely in a way. I don't know how to really explain it. And it's none of my friends' fault or my family's fault for sure. It's just like my parents left a month ago to go back to Thailand, and it was really weird for me to start a life and come back to being independent again, knowing that I don't really have, I'm still looking for a stable job. I think that was one thing that was really in my mind. So I tried my best to, you know, I have a freelance job where I work like, it's not really 9 to 5 obviously, because it's a freelance job. You do create your own schedule. But my parents said treat it as like a 9 to 5. Like try to work as like a 9 to 5 job at home, so that you like get used to the schedule. And I've been doing that, and actually it really helped. But now the project is kind of on a pause. I think I haven't received any kind of project update, and it due to they're having a conference, so their priorities kind of shift a little bit, which I mean fair enough. Yeah, so now that the priority have been shifted, I'm kind of just like waiting this week especially, which is like I don't mind as much because I got to do a little bit more activities with like myself and my boyfriend, which is super great. But at the same time, you know, you feel like you're like missing it. Like you've been doing, I just feel like I may have done something wrong, which I know I haven't. It's just feel like I could be doing better. I have received 2 interviews. I've done 2 interviews for a company so far. Get a little boost for myself that I'm doing the right thing. Full of stuff, mostly just 3 nail jeans. Got some food for us, my first aid kit just in case we're gonna leave that in the car, swimsuit, a towel,
and my disposable. And I'm also gonna bring this. I'm mostly going to be wearing this because my boyfriend is so sweet and he's just gonna carry his backpack with all the stuff in it, and I'm just literally carrying this because he knows I'm not this strong. It's noon right now, so hopefully we finish this by 6. So let's go get ready. So funny, you're so tiny. Boaty. Get a boaty. Get a boaty. Pants are off. It is now zipped off. It's shorts. Shorts time. I'm feeling it in my quads. We're 5.5 in. So yeah, I'm also a little hungry.